Many of you've done this, but today what we're gonna do is prepare our paper to take a salt application. In a bowl, I have some salt. I brushed my brush in there by accident, but this is salt. It's table salt. It's just Morton's table salt. I'm wetting the paper. I want it to be nice and wet because I'm going to put down some intense color. I'm going to use the cerulean and a little bit of cobalt blue. In order for the salt to appear like a snowstorm, the paint color has to be of a darker color. So we're gonna add a little cerulean. And cobalt blue. Remember, the paint will go where the water is. So I like that already. All right, I'm gonna add the cobalt blue to make it even darker. And it's the next part that you'll love the most. So my darkest will go right around the barn. And then what I'm gonna do is just pick up these puddles. Just so I don't have any puddles. I just want pigment. And to be sure, I get that intense snowstorm. I'm darkening up just a little bit in spots. And particularly around the barn. Okay, well, let's see how this goes. So already I see I should have just given myself some new salt. What this does is it soaks up the pigment, and we're gonna let this dry. Wow. So it does have to dry all the way for the salt to be seen as a snowstorm. Let's see how it dries. And then what we're gonna do is either brush it off with our hands, or if the salt is attached to the paper, we'll use a butter knife. Okay, so there's my snowstorm, but you know what? I think I need that tree. I need that tree. So I'm mixing up Viridian, all right, we're gonna let that dry.